everybody, Brian's World of Wheels coming at you with my latest model vehicle build. This is the early 50s Ford pickup, and what I did with it is obviously a slightly different interpretation than what you would have expected from a typical model car build. What I did on this one was to make it a weathered vehicle, and you can see I took out the real bed, the original plastic bed, and put in there a real wood bed. And of course in the back I made some rotting in the bed. You can obviously tell from the paint that it's very weathered. It's, you know, kind of faded and worn out in different places. You can tell from the windshield that the windshield is all dirty. This is meant to be a vehicle that's been kind of sitting out in a, you know, in a pasture or something like that for a long time. The engine has been weathered as well. The radiator has been weathered. I pretty well weathered the whole truck, such that it looks like it's been sitting out in a pasture. That was the intention of this truck. And you can see I also did some rust holes in the side there, so it looks like it's all kind of banged up. This is the, I believe this was a Revell, but I can't remember. I'll look it up and post some pics on the site. But it's a model truck that was originally meant to be a hot rod, and it had all these, you know, hot rod upgrades on it, flames and all that kind of stuff. But I decided to take it a totally different route and go with the old weathered look. So I hope you guys like this old beater truck. I think I did everything I could to try to make it look like it was rusted and rotted and falling apart, and, you know, just an old beater of a truck. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the comments down below, and let me know how you like this old weathered truck. Thanks a lot, everybody.